Tired of forgetting to track your time and losing valuable billable hours? In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of the Timely Watch app for effortless time tracking directly from your wrist. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Timely app installed on both your phone and your smartwatch. Launch the Timely app on your watch. You should see a simplified version of your Timely dashboard. To start tracking time, simply tap the large Start Tracking button. If you have location services enable and calendar events, Timely might even suggest projects based on where you are or what meeting you're in. If Timely doesn't automatically suggest the right project, no problem, tap the project name currently displayed. This will bring up a list of your projects and clients. Scroll through and select the appropriate one. To add a description, tap the Add Description field. You can either use voice input, just speak clearly, and the app will transcribe your words, or select from preset quick action options if you have them configured. When you're finished with the task, tap the Stop Tracking button. Your time will automatically be logged and synced with your Timely account on your phone and computer. To review your track time, navigate to the Today section to see your entries for the current day. You can also check the History section to view previous time logs. This is a great way to stay on top of your time allocation. Remember, the Timely Watch app syncs seamlessly with the main Timely application, so you can always access more detailed reports and analytics on your phone or computer. And that's it. With the Timely Watch app, tracking your time is now easier and more convenient than ever. Start maximizing your productivity today.